In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage projects in Xero, providing you with a comprehensive overview that will help streamline your workflow and optimize your team's efficiency. Let's dive right in by first logging into your Xero account. Once you're in, the first thing you need to do is enable the Projects feature from the main menu. This will open up a host of tools designed to help you keep track of your projects, from inception to completion. Next, you'll want to add users who need access to the Projects feature. Carefully define their roles and permissions to ensure each team member has the appropriate level of access. This helps maintain data integrity and security, ensuring that only those who need access to certain information can make changes. This step is crucial for maintaining a smooth workflow and protecting sensitive project details. With your team set up, the next step is to define staff cost rates. Different employees may have varying rates based on their roles or expertise. Setting these up accurately ensures that all your project accounting is precise from the get-go. It also prevents any surprises in your financial reporting down the line. Once your team structure is defined, it's time to click on New Project in Xero. Here, you'll be prompted to enter key information about the project, including the project name, client details, start, and due dates. This basic information helps set the groundwork for your project timeline and client relationship management, providing a clear picture of what needs to be achieved and when. Now, it's crucial to add out a budget estimate for your project. This is where you plan your finances and resources, and it acts as a benchmark to measure the project's financial health as it progresses. With a clear budget in mind, you can better manage resources and avoid overspending. To make the project more manageable, break it into smaller, digestible tasks. Assign each task to the relevant team members and estimate the time each will take, remembering to set a charge rate for their contributions. This task breakdown helps in maintaining focus and tracking progress at a granular level. It's important to note that team members can log their time against each specific task in Xero. This feature is particularly useful as it sends alerts if the actual time spent exceeds the initial budget, allowing for timely adjustments and keeping the project on track. Don't forget to add all associated expenses by linking relevant receipts or documentation to specific tasks or the project as a whole. This keeps your financial records transparent and comprehensive, ensuring that everything lines up when reviewing project costs. Finally, utilize Xero projects to track both time and expenses against your estimates in real time. Doing so provides valuable insights into your project's profitability as it progresses, enabling you to make informed decisions and adjustments along the way. By following these steps diligently, you'll be well on your way to managing your projects more efficiently, ensuring they're completed on time and within budget. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides on project management tools like Xero.